organization, what is happening, we were on a legacy system. You can say in-house developed ERP and all. So in previous 4 years, we are struggling to implement the branded ERP. I will not name that. And once it got failed also. Last year we tried and could not succeed it. So right now our complete focus is implementation on that particular ERP and systems, because that is cloud based and we are incurring a huge cost on that, licensing and other things. But since our business diversified in last 4 years, 5 years now, and we went into lighting, we went into sanitary ware. We are Jaquar bathroom fitting company. Okay, our complete business was bathroom fitting only. Now we are in sanitary ware also, and some other business areas are there. In factory automation, we thought of implementation of IoT and all, but due to these things, we could not implement that for preventive, you can say, maintenance and other activities. We implemented a green barcode solution in our sanitary ware plant that is there in Gujarat. So to take care of these qualities issues and all, so we means during the, you can say, initial casting stage, we put a green barcode label in, means you can say piece itself, that went into clean, and around 1200 degree temperature is there. So for that purpose we are doing that. But again, working on cloud and other things is always a challenge, and performance and other issues are there. We migrated to a very well-known cloud provider from means Indian cloud provider to an international one. But performance and other things are a challenge there. And for our other factories, we want to implement IoT and other solutions, but due to ERP implementation, all we could not focus on that at the moment.